Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can add links to your Shopify store, like how we can make your store clickable. So first of all, you have to head over to your admin.shopify.com, this site, and after clicking on this site here, you can see this online store. Just go to themes and then let's tap onto customize, and by clicking onto customize, we can check out these images here, a lot of type of images. So here you can see the let's cut this one. Okay, I think that's enough. So this one is the image banner. Here you can see, you can duplicate it, you can move it to next position if you want, you can also hide it if you wish to, like this. So here you can see the image banner. From here you can just search a homepage to image. So here you can check out this image. At the top right corner, you can check out its opacity here. You can select the image too if you wish to. If you want, you can add more images, for example this one, this GIF, and then you can add images side by side like this. But for now, let me cut this one for now. Here you can see the actual image right here. You can just tap on the edit image, and there we go. You can check out the name, you can check out the altered text, and many more. You can change the color background. So now let's go back, leave this page for now. So head over to your themes option, and there you can check this three dot icon right here. Just tap onto this three dot icon simply, and then tap onto edit code. And by tapping onto edit code, at the search bar file, search for image banner. So here you can see this image banner liquid. Just tap onto it and cut the whole code right from here. Just choose the whole code. And then just go to this site. Here you can see this. You can also copy it if you want. Just copy this whole text from here and then paste it over here, and then save it up. Okay, so there might be some issues, so let me select the whole text and then paste it up again. Let's check it out. Now you have to save it up. So as you can see, as it was saved, so now we have to go back again and tap on customize, and after clicking on to customize, we have to choose the image that we want to customize. Let's go to image banner, or this one. Wait, let's tap onto this image here. So here you can see the image, or here you can see also other images if you want. Let's go back and find out the main image. The image might be somewhere here. Let's check it out. Let's go to home page, and here you can see the image banner. If you want, you can hide it or show it. Just tap onto the plus icon, and then from there you can add videos if you wish to. Now here at the image banner, you can see this tap onto this option, and you can also add sections by clicking image banner. Here you can check it out. Just tap onto these options, and from there you can add custom CSS and image banner if you wish to. You can just tap onto edit code, and then you can paste the code out right here. Here you can see the code. You just have to save it up. Let me find that custom CSS image banner, and then you have to head over to this site, image banner, as I just showed you. Right now my image has been deleted, so I'm showing you with a screenshot. Just head over to this site, just locate the image that you want to add link, then at the paste link search bar, you just have to paste your link, and then you have to save it up right from here, and there you go, your job is done. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.